I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Install VLC for Android from the Play Store and open the app now. Ensure you have the video and the subtitle file saved on your device. Place the video and subtitle files in the same folder for easiest loading. Use SRT subtitle files encoded in UTF-8 for best compatibility across languages and characters. If you downloaded subtitles, check the file name matches the video name before continuing. Confirm Android storage permissions. Open the video in VLC by navigating to your folder and tapping the file. While the video plays, tap the three dots in the bottom right to open options. Choose Subtitles from the menu to reveal subtitle controls and loading options. Tap Choose Subtitle File to browse your device storage for the SRT file. Navigate to the folder where you stored the file and tap the matching subtitle file name. Tap Open to load, and the subtitles will appear within a few seconds. If subtitles are out of sync, use subtitle delay to correct timing in milliseconds. Tap the three dots, choose Subtitles, then Subtitle Delay, and enter a positive or negative value. Adjust subtitle size, color, and font style through VLC settings, and then subtitle settings for legibility. If multiple subtitle tracks exist, select the correct track or choose None to disable embedded subtitles. Restart playback after changes to confirm timing and appearance. Match the video correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.